Guys, got my new set of wheels in, some 16x8 Whistlers, the KR1s I think they're called. What I'm doing right now is I am taping up the lip, and then I'm going to gold plate the centers here. I don't know if I'm going to do gold or copper yet. I may go darker than lighter, I'm not sure. I got that lip taped up. After I get the lip taped up, I'm going to go with some 3-inch tape, go around the lip on the outside and flip it over and do the back side. But I'm going to get these taped up and I'll get back to you. That's what it looks like from the back side, and that's from the front side. We're about to take them outside and gold plate them. This is what I'm using the gold plate with. It's Dupli-Color copper plate coat. We're going to take it outside and see how it does. Alright, about to put the first coat on. Step back, that's one coat. I'm gonna let that dry for about 10 minutes and put a second coat on. There's my boy Kason helping me out today. And I'll get back with you. Thank you. This is after 2 coats. Give them time to dry right now. And then we'll put the clear coat, the top coat on. If you put more coats, they'll turn more copper, but my car's got like gold accents on it. If you can see, I've already did all the chrome trim and my air rod decal and all. So that's what I'm doing, stopping right here instead of going copper with it. I'll put the top coat, then I'll show you what it looks like when it's dry. 3 coats of the gold and 3 coats of clear. I mean, it just shows you how big of a shine you'll get on there. Yeah, a little bit of orange peel, but it ain't too bad. I'm gonna untape them and do the big wheel reveal. What you think, buds?
Leave a big like.
Yeah, leave a like. And here we go. I think it turned out pretty good. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And I appreciate every one of you guys watching. It means the world to me. Thank you. Have a great day.